My dear students, good morning. How are you? Today we will discuss the interchange of degrees or only degrees. At first, we should know the exact meaning of degree. The exact meaning of degree is scale or grade or height. And we all know that many adjectives have degree of comparisons. And we all know that there are three degrees: the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. At first, we should know what a positive degree is. The positive degree is the simplest form of adjective, such as tall, great, small, kind, wise, etc. And number two, comparative degree. When a comparison is made between two things or persons or ideas, when a comparison is made between two things or ideas or persons, it is called the comparative degree. And last, the superlative degree. When more than two things or persons are compared, it is called the superlative degree. Now an example: Ram is tall, it is positive degree. Shyam is wise, positive degree. He is brave, positive degree. But if we tell Ram is taller than Shyam, it is comparative degree, because a comparison is made here between Ram and Shyam. And if we say that Ram is the tallest boy in the class, it will be the superlative degree, because there are more than two students in the class and Ram is the tallest in the class. So it is the superlative degree. Now some examples of positive, comparative and superlative words. Black, blacker, blackest. Cold, colder, coldest. Hard, harder, hardest. Wise, wiser, wiser, wisest. Large, larger, largest. Dry, drier, driest. Grey, grayer, greyest. Big, bigger, biggest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. And cool, cooler, coolest. Weak, weaker, weakest. And adjectives of more than two syllables and most adjectives of two syllables are compared by adding more or most, or less, more and most, or less and least, such as beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Interesting, less interesting, least interesting. Important, more important, most important. Or important, less important, less important. There are some irregular degree or comparison, such as bad, worse, worst, far, afar, far, further, farthest, good, better, best. Old, older or elder, oldest or eldest, little, less or lesser, and least. And in, inner, inmost, up, upper, upmost. Now we can change one kind of degree to another kind of degree, such as he is the best boy in the class. Here the word best is the word of superlative degree, so we can say that it is a superlative sentence. He is the best boy in the class. If we change the sentence into comparative, it will be he is better than any other boy in the class, or he is better than all other boys in the class. If we say any other, the next word will be of singular form. If we say all other, the next word will be of plural form, such as he is better than any other boy. Any other boy. Boy is a singular form. He is better than any other boy in the class, or he is better than all other boys. All other boys. Boys is plural form. All other boys in the class. Positive. No other boy in the class is as good as he. Next, number 2. Gold is one of the most precious metals. Gold is one of the most precious metals. Students, you should keep in mind that there is the phrase one of the most precious. One of the most precious. There are the words one of the most precious, or the word one. So we can say that if the sentence is changed into comparative degree, it will be gold is more precious than most other metals. Gold is more precious than most other metals, or gold is more precious than any other metal. Positive. It will be very few metals are as precious as gold. Very few metals are as precious as gold. You can tell so precious as gold. It will write very few metals are so precious as gold. Next, this is one of the easiest subjects. This is one of the easiest subjects. Comparative. This is easier than most other subjects. This is easier than most other subjects, or this is easier than any other subject. And in the positive degree, very few subjects are so easy as this, or very few subjects are as easy as this. Next, another examples. He is one of the best boy in the class. That means there are more than one good boys in the class. So, if the sentence is he is one of the best boy in the class, the comparative degree will be he is better than he is better than most other boys in the class, or he is better than any other boy in the class. Positive degree. Very few boys are as good as he in the class. Next, iron is one of the most useful metals. There are more than one useful metals. Iron is one of them. So, if the sentence is iron is one of the most precious metals, the comparative degree will be iron is more useful than most other metals, or iron is more useful than any other metal. And in the positive degree it will be very few metals are as useful as iron. Next, at first, comparative degree. A tiger is stronger than a lion. A tiger is stronger than a lion. And in that case, the positive degree will be a lion is not as strong as a tiger. A lion is not as strong as a tiger. Or, and in the, it is a positive. In the positive degree, it will be a lion is not as strong as a tiger. In the positive degree, it will be a lion is not as strong as a tiger. And in the comparative, it will be a lion is less strong than a tiger. And in the comparative, it will be a lion is less strong than a tiger. And we can take some other sentences. We can take some other sentences from your syllabus. October is the best time. If we change into positively, it will be no other time is as good as October. And if we change it into comparative degree, it will be October is better than any other time. October is better than any other time. Okay, these are the sentence. Now you can practice the interchange of degrees from your test papers or question bank. And as I have told you earlier, practice makes a man perfect. So practice again and again, and you will be a perfect man in changing the degrees. So from now, take your exercise books or your test papers or question bank or textbooks and practice more and more interchange of degrees, and you will be a perfect man about the interchange of degree. Okay, may God bless you.